Taking decisions is one of the most frequent activities that we're faced with at work, and it's not always easy. So with a coaching approach, you can facilitate this process and really extract the most important key elements of any issue so that a person can decide to take action. I have a very simple but very effective model. It's called the 4Q model, the 4-question model, that you can use immediately with anyone that is coming to you with an inquiry that they have, something that they're wondering about. Once they've told you what it is that they're wondering about or that they plan to do or are not sure of yet, the first question you'll ask them is, what exactly do you want? So that helps them to formulate and describe in better detail what the final outcome is that would be desirable for them. The second question that you'll ask them is, why is this important? And this question helps them to understand the value and formulate it and understand their motivations also, why they want to go ahead with this project or idea or problem to be solved. The third question is, how are you going to go about it? This invites them to explore the options that they have at present and maybe find new ones that they hadn't thought of. And the last question is an invitation for action. So, when are you going to start? So you see, this cycle is a typical coaching cycle that helps people reflect in a targeted and structured manner on any topic and more easily come to a decision, a solution, a clarity, a choice that they can easily make based on this exploration. So I hope you try it and let me know how it goes.